Alright guys, Thomas is tucking the bunk bed car into bed. I think we're gonna have to come up with another name. It's just not rolling off the tongue. So he did a lot of work. Right now we've got running water that leads to nowhere. Fresh water from this guy, but we need to get another type of hose, I'm guessing. Yeah, we need to wait for this cable so it'll stay in there, and that's our manual pump for fresh water. And it's looking really good. Last thing, back here. Oh, here's the bathroom. Look at that. Thomas wants to take that out. Old water heater tank. So this is the bathroom, and Thomas said when he turned on the water, it was spraying from there?
No, from the inlet.
Inlet, whatever. I wasn't planning on using this shower anyway. I wasn't planning on using the shower. It's a wet bath. So the last thing he's got to do, what is it, flooring, yeah. Build a box, hook up the tankless water heater, build a box covering the, what's behind here, the inverter?
Yeah.
So we can put, so once he builds the box, we can put the, it's like a dinette, so it's like a big couch and then a big couch, but they could become flat and become about a full-size bed?
I think so.
Maybe a little bigger? Maybe a little wider.
Maybe.
Other than that, it's on its way. This is what? This is temporary.
Yep.
It's not waterproof or anything.
It's a template.
It's a template, yeah. But everything's looking good. Curtains are kind of, yeah. But